this account here. And this person, so this was me. I don't know, I had no MSP. This, I can't go into this account. So I have this account here. This account is at, oh, what is this? I don't want to. This is from a very long time, actually. And guys, I want to see how I look. Shit, you look. I love these guys. I even have them in real life. Like, they're just so catchy. So let me just take that away for now. I took my hair away. Okay, my weave away. I love the snuff I have. I always get it whenever I start MSP or like making an account. This girl here is always on mine. I'm scared of her now. Yeah. Yep, that is me. I have proof. Add me if you know. Add me if you know you lit. Add me if you know you lit. My YouTube channel, Ashley MSP and Roblox. I'm on level 4. I'm on level 4. Oh, wait, that's... You're not using. So, okay. Guys, before I even start doing this, if you subscribe to my channel and we get to 20,000 subscribers, subscribe and yeah. Somebody unsubscribed. Who unsubscribed, huh? Who? Okay guys, I'm going to show you guys a glitch now, how to gain subscribers. And guys, if you don't know, KSI won the match.
What's good, YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing
so you
guys
go
how
on
to
this
get...
video by how to get 10 subscribers per day on YouTube from Alex. Then sub for sub only today. for sub only today. Okay. Sub for sub. You do this. And then you be like, go YouTube special. This one is. So you have to do what this apparently says. So like the stream, let's like it. Subscribe to this channel. I have proof that I did. Subscribe. Go to the website. https YT sub 3. No. What was it called? Yep. YT subs 3. YT subs 3. Site. Oh, this site can be reached. Well, I don't know why it is free. I actually don't know capital. Let me just do this. Wait. Dot site. And then you go no caps. So lion. Come on, right. I said I'm more subscribing and I'm online. Well, I'm gonna say sub for sub again, and then go on a Jake.
Money to buy a Lambo with pennies. Are you serious?
Guys,
What?
guys, yo, I think this just happened.
What?
You aren't gonna believe what just happened, yo. Come over here and watch this. I wanted to experience this on camera.
Oh my gosh!
Good morning, Jake Paul. Hold on.
Wait,
Hold
wait,
on.
I wanna
Let me
see
pull it
this.
up. Drake just followed me on Instagram.
Oh!
Look at the notification. Is it real? Is it?
Oh! Respect, cuz! That's a great idea!
Yo, good morning, Jake Paulus. What is Gucci? Today is also Drake follows me on Instagram, guys. Like, he's my idol. He's who I look up to. And Drake, if you're watching this right now, bro, let's do a vlog together. Hit me up. Call me, Agent Joe, Manager Kev. You know where to find me. I live 5 minutes from you. We can make it happen, bro. I got a basketball court. Come on. DM me, FaceTime me, call me, fax me, write me. I'll be your pen pal. I'm smiling. I'm dabbing on them haters today. I hope you guys are too. If you're new here, my name is Jake Paul. You guys are the Jake Paulers, and welcome to the
Another
cash, please. Wake up, kids! Good morning. It hurts, right? Wake up!
Is it?
Ooh, but that selfie light now, yo, you guys had that selfie light next to your bed.
Then go on YouTube Rewind.
Yo, it turned into a war zone. Good morning, Tessa. Hey, Scott Matt. Ooh, your boy got an electric skateboard. Oh, nice.
YouTube.
I'm gonna see if the Martinez twins can ride this.
You go on 2017 because there's no 2018. There's Karina.
Welcome back to YouTube Rewind.
Karina was in this.
We've got two special guests with us.
Lisa.
Okay, Layla and Liza, tell me about 2017.
¿Qué es eso?
Respira tu cuello despacito, deja que te diga cosas al oído, para que te acuerdes si no estás conmigo. Quiero llevar tu pelo, quiero ser tu ritmo, que le enseñes a mi boca tus lugares favoritos. Pasito a pasito, suave suavecito, vamos pegando poquito a poquito. Nobody pray for me. It been a day for me. Yeah, yeah. Sit down. Sit down.
Woo! Oh yeah, that's Colin's key. Oh yeah, I know.
I'm singing like
You watch it until 2:28. Yeah, Karina. What's that TDM? Ooh, I missed it. Well, if you miss it, it doesn't matter. So you're right. Sub. Again. Then you search for copies. Copies are Loki's. Loki. Okay, copies are Loki. I think it was copies are faking. Yeah, copies are faking. And then you go to this one. I'll tell you guys, it's from Destrella.
Greetings, boys and girls. Now, before anything, I'd like to reveal that KSI has officially demanded 70% of all money earned from our boxing match. Not all about the money, eh? Very interesting. Now, I'm going to tell you more about this in the video, but do enjoy. Let's do this.
Alright. This is the last time I'm doing this shit with you. Yeah. Let the people all know I wanna pop at the elegant. Just a little boy wanna play again. Sitting at the top, you in 666. Devil with the flow, with the